So this guy noticed this guy's behavior, I guess, and was like, hey, this guy might be under the influence. You better send someone over. I got here before the second unit showed up, and here comes a motorcycle cop right now. This is the talking mustache himself, Officer Barrios. They're going to try to make you do field sobriety tests. All you have to do is a breathalyzer.
What's that?
They're going to try to make you do field sobriety tests. All you have to do is a breathalyzer.
I'm not cool with that, man.
Just want to let you know.
I have nothing to hide.
Cool, bro.
Who's your car insurance company? Do you know what company it is?
420, what up? No name.
There, go grab it. See if you find it.
Hey, I don't want to be fucking videotaped. I don't want to be videotaped.
So he has the right to stand there.
Okay. G money.
Left foot first.
Millie, thank you.
Right foot in front. There we go.
Lloyd Harris, what
Stop.
up?
Wait. Okay, so we're going to take 9 steps forward. Touch your heel to toe every time.
LA Spike.
2, all the way to 9. When you get to 9, you're going to keep your foot planted and do little steps and then go back the same way.
He's failing
Counting
right
your
now.
steps out
Hardcore.
loud.
Oh, is he?
Yeah.
As you walk the steps.
Second unit on scene. Third unit, my bad.
Yeah, I'm just
Well, that makes sense.
Ooh.
It's kind of flat. There you go. There you go. It's pretty flat.
Yeah, I like to do it right.
And I'm good.
Alright. 9 and 9.5.
You're supposed to count over.
To be fair, we are on a hill, and the ground is pretty uneven. It is kind of windy. Just some factors to build in there.
What's the DR?
53 DR 070-070.
I feel like that was 15.
It was 60.
Oh, and I'm supposed to do 16?
How many are we supposed to do? Remember?
9.
9.
9.
9.
Alright.
Now
so
what?
Backtrack.
But how are we going to go backwards? Remember, we're supposed to turn around and walk back 9 the other way.
Ooh.
right to the car. So you see Dad found the insurance.
Oh yeah, I gave it to the
Did we?
officer.
Okay, all right, let's go over here. And you're listed as a witness in the event today, Gabriel. Thank you.
I'm gonna be an uncooperative witness. Camera speaks for itself. He didn't seem bothered about a breathalyzer. He was like, hey, bring it on if you rewind. When I let him know. He's like, hey, cool,
At least the positive thing is going to
Can you see if he's got her purse?
Little Bell.
Confirm the one in the orange over there? Yeah, door closed, orange bag on the right of his shoulder.
The hydrant one. Yes, that is what happened.
4260.
That's great.
Go ahead.
Wanna take a minute to
Active RTF. Plastic Hassan was site release for 18602. Parenthetical O. And if you could reopen the missile subject call, way back around.
Well, I have seizures without.
I'll wait.
I understand
It's making
that.
sense.
I understand that. Did you have
But you're driving.
7-1, can you put me on 205 call?
Smooth jazz, what up,
So let's do
Nathan?
this. Let's do it. Yeah, I know. Let's do this. We're gonna call the ambulance. Okay. I want to. No, I just want them to check your blood pressure and your sugar.
They're gonna charge me.
It's an accident. It's an accident. Yes.
But that's the thing, the ambulance come every time. They just say the same exact fucking shit. I've been inside the hospital
You don't have to go to the
10
hospital.
times.
Just wants to make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
External, what up?
It's a seizure. That makes sense. Right. No, but that's we have seizures. I understand.
But you're acting like you have a seizure.
Oh, okay,
You're
now I
acting
feel
like-
fine.
I know you feel fine, but you're not tracking like normal. Like, it's just like when you have a seizure.
And plus the airbag went off. That could have been something seizure related. I don't know.
Doctor.
Okay, but so the seizures they've gone from like 5+ minutes to shorter this last week. It was like 2.
Alright, fourth unit just showed up. This one's probably gonna have the breathalyzer.
I'm just extremely disappointed because for the first day, I woke up today
Feeling good.
really good. Only fucking took me 2 minutes to get clean. And then I come back out to work and this is what fucking happened.
Well,
It's you're off all that stuff.
yeah.
And you have a seizure.
Yes. If that's, I'm with Dad 100%. Okay. 100%.
Just go check it out.
Checked off my blood.
Well, it's like-
Officer Behrens.
Won't do it. I'm not going back to the hospital. I've been to the hospital fucking like 15 times over my seizure. I'm not.
Which seizures do you have? What are they? Which part of them?
I'm not.
Yeah. Like grandma. Or,
Oh no, I mean he has a full body seizure. I don't know. Sorry,
I don't like fucking videotapes. Pisses me the fuck off. I know he's doing his job, but still, it's my fucking business.
that's fine. Okay.
53 to 60. Go ahead.
I actually tried to help this guy.
Yes, it's 1022, the request from 25 with the new outfit. She just said the learner wants that.
I don't.
There's so much privilege involved in this. Anybody else would have been at least handcuffed right now.
Yeah, but that's not going to show part.
I got a case number on leave from the office.
The what?
I got a case number from the
Oh, perfect. You'll need that for your
Are they gonna let this guy go?
You have the key? The key?
Wow. I think they're gonna let this guy just dead. Ryan. Hey, thank you. This guy is under the influence of something. They just are gonna let him dead. Wow.
You thinking the
What?
bottom?
Yep. That is, oh wow, I don't know what is going on. Unheard of. Clearly under the influence of something. Messed up his field sobriety test. Didn't even have to breathalyze. Refused an ambulance. He refused an ambulance. And they're just like, hey, go home. It's alright, dude. Go ahead. You can go ahead and get out of here. Ah, you're fine. Get out of here, dude. Nice. Have a good day.
Hey, if you have any questions?
Yeah, I do.
Yeah, go. Hurry.
Why'd you let him go?
He's having a medical problem.
He's having a medical?
Yeah.
No, just keep it.
Anything else?
Yeah, how can
So
you
I'm not
prove
going to
that?
list you. I'm not going to list you as a witness because it's a medical, not a DUI.
Okay, how can
Okay.
you prove that?
Dad.
So you just
Dad-
took that
Dad
guy's word?
confirmed.
Took that guy's word for it?
Well, it's like if someone told something about you and we verify it, or someone across the street we verify it. Everything is verifiable. And so his
Okay.
body was showing signs of a seizure.
I hear you.
So.
I hear what you're saying.
Anything else? You good?
Continue.
Cool.
Wow.
I don't think you're going to get wet, but I watched the electronics. I don't know if they're going to do the water or not.